So I have a Whirlpool fridge. The ice maker dispenser went out. I've tried to replace the auger motor, but I tested it and it was fine. And bless YouTube's heart, this is, you can see that there's some wires that have been clipped. So I make ice fine, but it won't dispense. The door comes open, but nothing comes out. The auger doesn't work. So I'm gonna peel these wires back, tape them back up, and see if that works, see if that can help. So I rewired the cut. There were 4 cut wires, stripped the insulation, rewired them individually, and then wrapped the tape all around all of the wires, replaced the bottom cover. Before I knew about the cut wires, I thought the auger might be out after watching another YouTube video. So I pulled it and the continuity was fine. So I knew there was something else. So I found another video and saw that the door wiring under the door could be the culprit. So that's what I did earlier in the video. And then I replaced the container, gonna go turn on the power. Here we go for the big test. Yes!